Greetings, and welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, make me ask you something. You ever wonder how much people are going to get in heaven? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now are the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 13 from verse 22 to verse 30. Jesus did a go at Jerusalem and a teach as him pass through the town and district them. Somebody asked him say, Lord, a only little bit of people are going to get saved. Jesus answered them say, try your best to go through the narrow door. Enough somebody are going to try to go in, but nah go get in. The time are going to come when the owner of the house get up and lock the door, and only we turn up out a door and knock and beg. Sir, open the door for we. But him we answer say, me no know no, or which part uno come from. Then uno we say, we used to yam and drink with you, and you did teach pan we road. Him we say, me no know no, and me no know where you come from. Go away from me, uno all wicked uno. Uno a go ball and a grind uno teeth when uno see Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and all the prophet them in a God kingdom, and uno get left out. People will come from east and west and north and south and go sit down eat big dinner in a God kingdom. But understand this, the one them where they are front, I go they are back, and the one them where they are back, I go they front. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.